This is it. Today I get my new helmet. It's the Shark Race R Pro GP. It's a replica. Reading, I think it is. So yeah, let's open this and find out what it looks like. Yeah, it comes in a bag. Dark visor. Nothing else in there. That's a nice bag. Oh. Wee. Look at that, mate. That is sick. Oi, this is so nice. Look at that. Mate, it's actually quite light as well. That is gonna be so cool to put on. Alright, let me try the fitting before I rip anything off, because I cannot take it back if not. So this is what it looks like. It's, you know what, it's actually snug. It feels like my head. So cool, man. Literally, man, I love it. I feel like a chubby bunny though. I can't actually speak. My cheeks are so squashed, but it's not that bad. I think it'll wear in. I can take everything off in a midnight. Yeah, that's gonna be so cool. Yeah, this is sick. I'm in love with this helmet. All my days, all I need now is a sports bike. That's all I need. But yeah, this is amazing.